In the changing seasons, children are most susceptible to catching a cold or cough. This is why your grandmother was always ready with her home remedies to cure that stubborn cough. A glass of warm water, a few drops of lemon, a spoonful of honey, and a pinch of cinnamon was all it took to ward off the common cold and cough in a jiffy. Harnessing the power of nature, these simple ingredients work in harmony to soothe sore throats and clear blocked noses. So, the next time the seasons change, remember your grandmother's wisdom and turn to these natural remedies to keep the sniffles at bay. Stay healthy and enjoy every season to the fullest.